Together we are
Kishnell.
Kishnell.
Yeah, we are.
Don't mind my sniffly face.
Yeah, she's just sneezing the whole day.
I'm allergic to New Zealand.
Oh yeah.
It's fine. Oh, okay.
So today's video is gonna be
Wait.
makeup men today. So I am gonna start with foundations.
I'm sorry if I sneeze.
Yeah, you'll be fine. So which foundation should I use? This is number 1. Oh, booger out, booger dropping, dripping boogers.
Sorry.